Today I'll be talking about 3 ways to make money in the stock market. You don't want to miss out. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Kid Finance YouTube channel. I'm Andrew and I make videos about financial education. If you are new here, please scroll to the bottom of the video and click the subscribe button and smash the like button. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any video I upload. Before I start, I want to mention that I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. With that being said, let's start this video. If you're young like me, we have a huge advantage over most investors in the stock market. Starting investing at a young age allows us the flexibility and time to study investing and learn from our successes and failures. Investing in the stock market is one way to build our wealth for our future. There are a few custodial brokerage accounts that you can open with your parents and start investing in the stock market. You can use M1 Finance, Stockpile, and Love. I'm currently using the Loved app and it is very easy to use. If you want more information about Loved, the link is down in the description box below. Number 1. Trading stocks. Trading stocks means to buy and sell shares in a particular company. When you buy and sell shares of a stock, you are a trader. The key to making money from stocks is to buy low and sell high. For example, I buy a stock, XYZ, for a low price when the stock price is at its low, and sell the stock when the stock price is at its high. I make extra money by selling the stock at a high price. Trading stocks does come with the risk of losses if you don't know what you're doing. It is very important to educate yourself about trading stocks and do your own research on the company that you are going to invest in. Number 2, buy and hold. Buy and hold means you buy and hold shares of a stock in a particular company or exchange traded funds, also known as ETF. You are basically holding the shares of a stock and letting the money grow until you reach retirement. When you buy and hold stocks, you're a long-term investor. The key to making money from buy and hold is to accumulate as many shares of a stock or ETF. You are letting your stock grow as the years pass by. The average stock market return is about 10% per year for nearly the last century. Buying and holding stocks or ETFs does come with risk if you don't know what you're doing. It is very important to learn and educate yourself about the company or ETF you are investing in. Now last but not least, number 3, dividend investing. Dividend investing means you buy shares of a stock in a particular company that pays you extra money just for holding the stock. It's a way of the company saying thank you for buying and holding the stocks. If you are investing in dividend stocks, you're an investor. Dividends are a recurring payment as long as you hold the stocks. When you receive dividends, you can use it to buy a new toy or reinvest it. The key to making money from dividend investing is to consistently buy shares of the company and reinvest the dividends. The more shares you buy, the more dividend pays out to you. Dividend investing is less riskier than trading stocks. However, making money in dividend investing is a slow process, and your money can grow exponentially as long as you keep it consistent in your investment. Word of caution, not all companies pay dividends, so it is important to educate yourself in the company you're going to invest in and do your own due diligence. Super! I hope this video helps you and encourages you to start investing. Remember that investing in the stock market is a learning experience and very rewarding when you are educated. Please watch more videos on my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Catch you later. Peace! Go, stop recording. That was cringy, right? That was really cringy. Wait, what? Wait, what? Stop recording! Hey, director! Yes, we must do our exercises. Why did you record that?
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!